Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's a great looking presentation. Let's try to start. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to format the background to this menu up here. Then we are going to change the background color. I'm going with dark blue and then apply it to all. Then we need to create these two shapes. How I'm going to create these two shapes? It's easy. We are going to create a rectangle from 5 to 5, then another rectangle, but this time I'm going to create it from the 4 here to here. Then select all of them by Ctrl A, go to shape format, shape outline to none. Then here in the shadows, for creating that effect, we are going to use this menu and also this shadow effect. It's looking great. Now we need to copy the text. This text is just some overdrive sunset text. It's easy one, but before pasting the text we need to recolor everything. You see it's giving us a nice vibe. Then copy that here. Here we reduce its size. And after reducing size, set the fill to no fill. Then bring it up, copy that, paste it here, copy that, paste it here. Now we are going to set the shape outline to this dark blue. And then we are going to reduce its size and set the outline to none. Then we are going to copy the last text and paste it here. Select all of them, set the transition to morph. Let's see what we created. You see it's looking great. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.